issue of apathy in the national capital, the one in which 3 students lost their lives at the basement of a coaching center due to flooding, is being raised in the parliament as well. Questions are being asked, pertinent questions to the Aam Aadmi Party. We earlier heard speakers like Bansuri Swaraj, Shashi Tharoor, Akhilesh Yadav, and now Sudhanshu Trivedi in the Rajya Sabha raised some very important points, asking some very, very tough questions to the Aam Aadmi Party government in the national capital, blaming the Aam Aadmi Party government for mismanagement in the national capital, which has led to the death of these 3 students. Meanwhile, we're also getting visuals for you. Delhi LG has reached the site where the coaching institute is, where the 3 students lost their life due to flooding. You can see a massive deployment there of the police officials. I believe the LG is talking to the students. Earlier, remember, some students were also protesting outside the coaching institute seeking justice. In terms of action that has been taken, 7 arrests have happened. A bizarre action of booking the vehicle driver that was seen in the video passing through the road has also been reported. These are live visuals coming in. The Delhi LG has reached the spot where the coaching institute is, talking to students outside the institute. We have Priyank getting us live reports. Yes, Priyank.
Yes, certainly, Swati. The Lieutenant Governor of the National Capital, V.K. Saxena, is here. He is talking to the students, and as you can see, there's high voltage drama which is already happening in the National Capital amidst the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party, both of them trying to shift the onus on each other and trying to look for those individuals who could be liable for this for penal action. The Lieutenant Governor is here. He is talking to the students. There was a delegation of students which have been protesting here since the beginning of this particular tragedy, where 3 people have lost their life. Lieutenant Governor is here talking to the students. The students are also apprising about the details of the demand which they have sought so far. The students have already said that they have 7 to 8 demands for which they have been protesting. On one side, the delegation of students is meeting the Lieutenant Governor. On the other side, you have other students who have been protesting here. They have been saying that their demand should be fulfilled. LG is here. He is talking to the students. What is the demand?
Sir, we want LG sir here. Students wants to talk him. स्टूडेंट उनसे बात करना चाहते हैं, हम पीसफुली उनसे बात करेंगे, एक एक करके अपना पक्ष रखेंगे, लेकिन कोई डेलीगेशन बात नहीं करेगा, कलेक्टिव स्टूडेंट्स बात करेंगे. ये हम सबकी रिक्वेस्ट है, कलेक्टिव तरीके से बात होगी.
कुछ और स्टूडेंट से बात करना चाहेंगे, आप इधर आए. We can spot few students who have been sitting here since the beginning of the protest. Let's talk to them. आप लोग परसों से यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, एलजी साहब आए हैं, स्टूडेंट्स का एक डेलीगेशन उनसे मिल रहा है, आप लोग इससे संतुष्ट हैं?
हम डेलीगेशन नहीं भेजेंगे, हम यहाँ मिलेंगे सर से.
हम चाहते हैं वो यहाँ पे आए,
हम यहाँ मिलेंगे. पीसफुल प्रोटेक्शन 3 दिन से यहाँ हो रहा है, वहाँ नहीं मिलेंगे, हम यहाँ मिलेंगे.
सर डेलीगेशन की बात नहीं है, वो आए, अब हमें ज्वाइन करें. सर हम यहाँ से जब से इंसिडेंट हम यहाँ बैठे हैं,
परसों से 4 डेलीगेशन हम लोग भेज चुके हैं, कुछ सुनवाई नहीं हुआ है. हम लोग एलजी साहब से यहाँ बात करेंगे फेस टू फेस. यहाँ
आपसे कुछ ही कदम की दूरी पे है वो, आप लोग पीसफुली मिलना चाहते हैं. एक डेलीगेशन
वी आर ऑल्सो रेडी टू मीट इन पीसफुली.
से बैठे हैं ना सर को.
सर हम बैठे ही इसलिए कि आके हमसे मिले, बात करें, चाहे वो एलजी हो, चाहे एमसीडी के ऑफिशियल, चाहे दिल्ली पुलिस हो. आप आइए, हमसे बात करिए, लेकिन वहाँ पे हम नहीं जाएंगे. यहाँ पे सर हमने श्रद्धांजलि के बनाया है, आप आइए यहाँ पे, वी आर रेडी टू टॉक.
So this is the spot which is barely a few meters away from the location, and there you can students have been showing solidarity and paying condolence to all those 4 students, in fact 3 of them who lost their life in this incident, and another one which happened in Patel Nagar. So the student here have not been looking so much satisfied with the kind of visit is happening right now. On the other side, amidst a few local, Ashwini, if you can just go ahead. Yeah, certainly. So amidst the LG coming here, trying to talk to a delegation of students, there are other student organizations who are certainly not happy with the kind of response which is coming. There you can see protests has started while the Lieutenant Governor is trying to talk to 5 to 6 student delegation which is talking talking to them. But on the other side, public address system could also be used. The students are certainly not happy. They wanted to talk to the Lieutenant Governor at the location, at the spot where they have been protesting since 3 days. This is the time this incident happened. But Lieutenant Governor coming here and trying to talk to a delegation of students, which is certainly hand-picked and hand-chosen, is certainly not acceptable to these students. LG is here.
I'm not a student, I'm from PTI.
Okay, he's also from a media, but certainly you can see these are the students who have been protesting here. They have been demanding justice for those friends of the students who have lost their life. But in this location, certainly here, yes, right here is a location where the students were demanding that the Lieutenant Governor should come, and they wanted to talk to him. They wanted to talk about the compensation. They wanted to talk about other demands of taking strict action against those individuals who could be behind it. But Lieutenant Governor only talking to a handful of students is certainly not acceptable to these students who are sitting here for protest.
The delegation which is meeting right now is talking to the LG about the current situation, but then students who've been protesting since Saturday want the LG to go where they are protesting. They are on a sit-in dharna, and like one of them spoke to you, Priyank, he said, we've seen netas come and go. Nothing has happened so far. Some of them holding placards which has their demands written on it. They are uprising the LG of the same, surrounded by Delhi police officials. Priyank.
Yes, certainly. These are the two pictures. If we can go to the two window, there is a delegation of students which is meeting the Lieutenant Governor, where the visuals are also not quite clear because only the agencies are allowed. No media organization apart from the agencies have been allowed to go near the Lieutenant Governor, ask him questions, the kind of allegation which is coming out from the Aam Aadmi Party. The Lieutenant Governor is only accessible to the agencies. They are on the other side of barricade where we are also not able to reach out. But we are showing you the second aspect of the story. The students who are sitting here on dharna, the students who have been demanding justice, the students who have been here since the beginning of the protest. LG साहब आए हैं?
नहीं सर, LG साहब यहाँ पे मौकाए धरने पे नहीं आए हैं. वहाँ पे बाहर से पता नहीं किन लोगों से बात कर रहे हैं. We don't know. We are ORN residents. He should come here. Sorry, sir.
Do you know those students who have been talking to the LG?
No, we don't know. We don't know.
So certainly this is a demand which is coming out from the students that the Lieutenant Governor could come here at the protest side, not on the other side of barricade, which is certainly making it difficult for the LG's office staff also to make it understandable. Certainly he came here. This is the Rouse IAS Study Circle, which is situated at this Karol Bagh, which is given hundreds and hundreds of UPSC candidates, those who have become IAS, IPS. So hundreds of alumni are there in different parts of the country. This institute has been working since and operating since 1953. That is a big thing which need to be taken into consideration. On the other side, public address system could be used by the Lieutenant Governor to apprise the student. The point is that the taking issue of the security measures, the Delhi police has not allowed the Lieutenant Governor to come to this side of the barricade where the students have been sitting. That could be one of the reasons which will come out in the later stage. I can certainly understand this is the voice of Joint CP of Range, Paraditya, who is trying to brief the media that what should be the scenario, how the LG could have been briefed, but the LG is making it still here.
Right. Priyank, stay on with us. We also have some breaking inputs coming in meanwhile. Let us quickly update our viewers about the other developments that are taking place related to this very issue. We're given to understand that Delhi Mayor has called for an emergency meeting. Now, at 3 p.m. this meeting has been called. We're also being told that MCD Commissioner, along with Chief Executive Officer, Jal Board and Principal Secretary of PWD will attend the meeting. So on your screens are visuals of the LG who has reached the spot where the coaching institute is meeting the students. Some of them are at the moment outraged because they want the LG to go over where the sit-in dharna is happening. Meanwhile, emergency meeting called as well. Priyank continues to be with us. Priyank, as far as this emergency meeting is concerned, all the departments that are actually responsible for desilting and taking care of drainage have been called. The department heads, I believe, have been called for this emergency meeting.
Yes, Swati, that is an important meeting which is scheduled to happen at the Delhi Mayor's office, which is at the MCD House, MCD House, which is at, I beg your pardon, so too much of movement of students which are happening. So the meeting is important because all those stakeholders, the government stakeholders have been called in by the Mayor of the National Capital, Shelley O'Brien, who was called for an emergency meeting. So all those commissioners and the PWD officials and all those stakeholders who are responsible to maintain this kind of sanctity in the national capital and the proper arrangement have been called in for the meeting. But amidst that, the presence of the Lieutenant Governor here at the location where the LG is taking a sense of what it is the exact reason because of which the students have been protesting, how they want to move forward, how they have seen the kind of mushrooming coaching institutes and those basement studies library is something which the LG is also being briefed about by the students. On the other side, what we know that there are approximately around 4,000 illegally working these libraries, which are most of them are in the basement areas, which is the reason because of which the students from across the country have been coming here. On this particular location, what we can once again would like to show you that the demands are being shown. The students who had given their demands to the Lieutenant Governor, that placard.
He's speaking at the moment.
और आपको बताऊंगा कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं। सबसे मेरी रिक्वेस्ट है, सर ने बहुत ही अच्छे से आपको हर चीज के बारे में बताया है और आप थोड़ी शांति रखें और हर चीज के इंक्वायरी का टाइम लगता है और एक्शन जस्टिफाई होना चाहिए। तो और सर ने जैसा आपको बताया, कोचिंग वाले को ऑलरेडी अरेस्ट कर चुके हैं।
So the LG, they're giving assurance to the students at the moment. Of course, one can understand the kind of outrage there is on ground. The students, some of them unwilling to listen to what the LG has to say. Some wanting the LG to visit the protest site where the students have been protesting from Saturday. Massive deployment there of the Delhi police officials. The LG is visiting the spot where the coaching institute is, where 3 lives were lost. He's taking stock of the situation, speaking to some of the students as well. With that, we're slipping into a very short break, but news and updates will continue. Stay on with us.